Audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes.
So, thank you, first
Ankur,
of all. Thank you so much.
Ankur, before coming into this one, I want to need a special thing for you because I was connecting with the Ankur after I think 14 or something, right? After my webinar,
14 minutes.
batch 11. Okay, you need to be understand batch 11 after the webinar, next day or something. I'm connecting with the people, right? So when that time Ankur was telling me, Devi, this is the one of the issue I am facing, data analyst actually. So I know, like in that innocent way you are telling about the commitment you are putting about. So yesterday when you sharing the message, right? Normally I'm not seeing some of the messages actually. Yesterday when you're sharing the message, I'm literally happy because after the success story. So I'm good. How was the journey actually? So how you feel now?
So, before saying anything, I would like to thank you for putting trust in me and see the way you brought me means my company. You are already aware, but I'll tell from the beginning that I got laid off around April. I get laid off. I mean, laid off means they gave a 3 month notice period. You
Mhm.
go and find another job. So 2 months wasted. I didn't find anything. Means there is no roadmap in a clear words. So I came from a background from I worked on Power BI, OBI, ETL side at ODI. So I have an idea about these things, but I don't know the roadmap, what to read, what not to read. So I saw your through. I was scrolling through the reel and I saw your post that okay. I saw your intro. So where I got impressed that you know what you are saying. So I from there I get a belief that okay, if you know what you are saying, then probably you can guide me. So
Baby, that is
yeah,
completely fine. That is completely fine. I can understand. But your face and happy is
yeah,
enough for us.
yeah,
Team, just give a big congratulations to Ankur. Even the batch 11, your team actually. Okay. So
thank
Ankur was also joined recently. So the effort he put, Ankur, I'm not telling about how many hours you're studying.
mhm.
After that, also we connected one time, right? You're telling about
Yes,
attending like an interviews and all.
yeah. So what happened? I had around 14 years of experience. So it's a kind of people want to know what you are. Means, are you a data engineer? Are you a senior data engineer? Are you an architect?
Yes.
So the first HR will come to you, not the direct technical person. So I would, if I'll say that I am a data engineer, they won't take me. So I have to present myself as a data architect. So now once you go as a data architect, the person who is taking technical, he expect more kind of in-depth knowledge plus overall means how system is being designed end to end.
Yes.
So I had gone through all your videos. First thing I did that one, and I went through some of the interview sessions which other candidates has gone through. So I picked up things from there. I picked my storyline, and there is one template of intro. So I took it. I got means what should be my starting line, how I should how what we are going to help the other. So that way I created my intro. So that created an impact. So see everyone saying that they are data engineer, but how they can other can believe or how other will give you the chance.
That is fine actually. Keep the
So,
baby also.
yeah,
Maybe he's your luck actually. Okay, keep the
yeah,
baby.
yeah.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
She can't hear you because it's on headphone.
Okay, okay, okay. So Angur, I think finally, right, whatever you get it, like and this is for baby, everything like and God is given to you. And I think whatever the effort, team, this is the one is needed, whatever the effort he put, that is the result now is coming. So Angur can able to do everything, everybody can do, right? That is the one thing. And Ankur, I think Ankur is completely, I would say, completely Power BI kind of a person, not a like a data engineer, right, Ankur?
Right. I don't have any background in data engineering side. I
Same thing.
studied
Ankur, this
from
is
that.
not in your case. I think everyone is doing the like a different technology only. While learning, we are applying for some job. That's it. Ankur, I need one help actually for molding this 10 plus years of people because you are an inspiring people for now.
Sure.
Whatever I was delivered to, you just it, and we need to be helping this also. These
Def-
people you can see in the
Definitely, I'm
chat.
available.
Yes. And Ankur, coming into the interviews, like how you feel actually the interviews.
Mhm. So, see, I gave around 25 interviews,
Okay.
and they too in a 1 month span of time.
Mm.
Since the HR put one simple condition in their filter criteria,
Ah.
date of joy means the person who is available within 15 days. First
Mm.
preference is that one.
Yes.
Once they see your name in it, they
Mm.
copy it and go to LinkedIn.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
from
Mm.
there they will see whether what you are saying in your resume is it matching with
Mm.
your LinkedIn. So
Mm.
earlier I was not aware. I come to know about through you as well. The same,
I was guide you, right?
yeah,
Like on
you
how
guide
to build the
how to
LinkedIn.
build that. So I
That
I
sessions will be
updated it.
coming to these people also. Team that session I will take in after completion. But for the Ankur cases, I was given a proper idea. Ankur, this is the way you want to get. And Janvi was helping you, right? Creating the resume also.
Sonia helped me initially, and
Ah,
later on, Sonia gave me the template of Tejas. I
okay,
took
okay.
the template of Tejas. Tejas is a, isn't means, his content is very good. I
Uh-huh.
took his content and
Mm,
go to Chat GPT and I gave my what I can means what's my background. Then it
mm,
transformed accordingly,
mm.
and what story is behind it, means what's the project, how's the architecture. So I
Yes.
told that as well. So it gave me a proper written format of it. Then I paste the same one over there.
Uh-huh.
We
Everyone doing the same thing only, like and but like and they are testing about your knowledge. So if you can able to share that knowledge, because even the AI is coming, like
right.
everyone is fresher in the AI kind of thing. But whoever learn it as soon as possible and implementing, they are getting the opportunities in the market.
Yeah, that's right.
So currently, I am also really happy and good. Whatever, I'm not sure. I already know, but fastly you are getting an offer letter, it will be really good. And coming forward, we need to attend more interviews. You can able to get a more things. But laid off to this one, it's a one of the big achievement.
Big achievement. And one thing I would like to share that when I go through this many rounds of interview, I found that there are different kinds of interviewers. So
Mm-hmm.
someday you will find a bad one. So that day and the next day will be low for me.
Mm-hmm.
And in the other day when you again gather some energy and give again an interview, you'll find good peoples. So don't get disheartened to other guys. So
Yes, yes,
it's a kind of where the right place for you, you will find the right person. If
exactly.
if you find a wrong guy or someone, if you get selected, it will be bad day for you in your life. So it's a good that you get rejected. It's okay. Tomorrow you'll get a good person, and working under them will be good for you.
Failures, I would say, team failures were the stepping stone. So Angur, I was also attending multiple interviews, lot of rejection, tears, everything was there. But like a dream, we can dream it, right? You already told me 25 interviews. So some interviews are failing, obviously. So I want to
I
need
gave
all the, yeah,
I
tell
gave
me.
around five. I gave around 5 interviews in a day.
Uh-huh.
Means it's quite exhausting. But
Mhm.
see, if you are if you are having a need of job, then you will say, okay, fine, I'll give. Whatever
Yes.
means, if they will, whether your voice is shaking or anything, you just give it. It will give you
Mhm.
some insight. Okay, this question. So initially, I prepared with the plan.
Uh-huh.
Then once you are thorough with the plan, the next step will come. They will try to check, okay, how you did it. So I
Mhm.
for that I went through your videos, but what I did, I created my means what is research
Mhm.
behind that. If I'll do by my hands on,
Mhm.
where I will fail or what I fix. So
Mhm.
that roadmap I create, so that
Mhm.
when I say it become a truth, because I had done that. So
Mhm.
earlier, first few times I was giving without that, and I was saying, so they said, okay, at the top, but when coming to practically how you're doing it, so there
Mhm.
I was lacking. So I I tried some other ways. I found some more videos from project one. Then I create the account you had asked us to create on
Ah,
Azure
yes.
using that Databricks one. Then I did all kind of. I didn't delete the resources. Why? Because I don't keep things running.
Mm-hmm.
There's a timeout I mentioned in Databricks. So
Yes.
and they give a lot of money since
Uh,
we for 1 month it's enough. So I
uh-huh.
didn't delete it so that I can keep on trying. Otherwise, recreating is taking time.
That is fine actually, and anyway you get off because you did investment yourself. The result, like, and how much percentage they are given to you?
My salary is on a good side as well, and I
Mm-hmm.
was a kind of laid off situation, so I didn't ask much. They said once they gave 30% hike on my
Mm-hmm.
current salary, so it's a
Okay.
good for me. And I don't want to go with high salary as of now. It's
Mm-hmm.
my own thought process, not it's nothing like going with the market. My thought
Mm-hmm.
process is if my salary is less and I don't have much experience, people won't be going behind me.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. They will
Don't
say,
think,
okay,
don't think like
don't
that.
think that.
Okay, I'm already mentioned the
Yeah,
initial call. Don't think like that because
yeah,
14 years of people in the community 70. Okay, 70 lakhs already got it. So
yeah,
anyway, you want to work in a company, so we can have a right also. Everyone, I would say, everyone is upskilling only. Generative AI. Generative AI is just started from 2025 only in the market. How
yes,
a people can able to say like in 5 years or 6 years, right? So, but
right.
whoever learning as soon as possible, they are getting the market. This is the scenario in the IT.
That's right.
So, my suggestion, if you are attending the other interviews, ask them to like
No,
an
I made up my mind to join the company
okay,
who
okay.
gave
Then it
first
will be
offer.
fine. It will be
It's a
fine.
kind of commitment. See, I got one offer from EXL
Okay.
and another Sitco. They means they finalized everything, but
Uh-huh.
told them I have made up my mind, so don't process further.
Mm-hmm.
LTM, I had cleared all the rounds, so they are in there every day. They check every now and they check. Do you get the offer? If you
Mm-hmm.
got the offer, then we'll release the offer. Else, we
Uh-huh.
keep on checking. So I didn't updated them,
Uh-huh.
and see, the basic thing comes that first learning should be done. At least I'll do for 1 or 2 years what I'm doing right. So
Mm-hmm.
market is a kind of a rush. They want everything to be done within a month.
Mm-hmm.
When and being me, they present me as a, data architect.
Okay.
So there is a lot of responsibility. If
You
tomorrow
can
some
learn, but
uh,
don't wait for like an I would say 1 or 2 year. One
hmm,
year is enough actually
yeah,
because transition also, right?
yes,
So then what will happen? Like an when we more committed to the company, sometime it will not work.
right,
And good,
you're
this is
right.
one of the good thing I'm just telling to you. I know you are so committed and loyal to this one, but when you're working on a company,
Yeah,
so we need to take care our part also. I'm
sure.
just telling to note you everyone. So I know many people are sitting with the 14 years, 15 years in the same company, loyal to the company, but every time the same thing we cannot expect. That is the
Yes.
only thing, but it will be completely fine. I will change your mind also. Okay.
Yeah, you see, you're junior to me, but you're my mentor. So first time I saw you, I saw you are a young girl, and I have a more than decade of experience. So I thought, will you be the right person, or you just kind of sales pitching kind of thing? But uh, see, you will come to know if a person is behind money or a person is really trying to help you. So you will
Thanks,
come to
Ankur.
know over the time. So I put that belief in you, and I didn't get wrong. I found you are a genuine person, and you know a lot. You see the videos and the class materials, you bring everything. So there is a see they you won't be explaining in too depth, because if we go in too depth, it won't be, it will be
It won't work
forever.
actually. People will not be stay also like and that is not needed. And good second thing, right? But like and whatever the like an experience I went to, it was very hard in my initial days of a career.
Mhm.
So many people are getting like a good salary, comfort zone. I was very hard in situation. Maybe that was the reason now when I'm connecting to the people, right? You can understand my situation and come to at least that is a trust you come to Vision Board community.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is really
That's
good. Thanks for your word
thank
also.
you, thank you.
And Ankur, I think one more request, come to us a mentor to our community. I think
Sure,
this 10 plus years of people, right? It will be one of the best relief I can able to give. You are one of the best medicine. Maybe when you're
sure.
getting what are the interview question, how to forget them, I can able to get a better opportunity. This 10 plus of people.
Definitely, I can help them,
Sure.
and I would love to, because I had gone through the same. place. So when same situation, so I understand pain of the others.
Yeah,
So
sure, Ankur.
yeah.
I think Danya will connect with you and add to the group also. And one more gift to the small baby we will send you. One gift for you, one gift
Okay.
for her also.
Okay.
Give it to,
Thank you so much.
okay, give it to her also.
Yeah.
Okay,
Th-
thank
uh,
you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Devi.
so much.
It's nice talking to you, and thank you for being my mentor.
Thank you, Ankur.